action, obey the sanction. Surge protection, close the ranks and find the tempo, lively up your body. Move with the rhythm of body. Hearts get racing, souls get broken. Like gunshot wounds leave holes wide open. Some they moping, some they hope. Pray they find love before the end of their rope. Some turn to dope, get high as rain. Some only cope and they disguise their pain. Some turn to their neighbor, some turn to their God. And some spoil the child while sparing the rod. Some point above while they pray for their schemes. And some say that love's only real as your dreams. Like all I have's a dream. It never was meant to come true. All I have's a dream, loving you. All I have's a dream. It never was meant to come true. All I have's a dream, loving you. Drop the hammer, omega, gamma. Last one ever, all ties get severed. Lies get spoken, hearts get jaded. Memories blur once true love faded. Long past prisons of class divisions. Paper incisions and rash decisions. Cash-based visions of assassins' hymns. Cash-based devils in the back with grins. Track the winds, energy's kinetic. Crack the lens, photosynthetic. So sympathetic, broken heart chalice. Hardened like callous, fueled by malice. Fed by anger, ruled by violence. Schooled in suffering, hidden through silence. Love is so sacred, love so pure. And love's the disease that you will not cure. Cause all I have's a dream.